How to fix Calculating Worldcoin Failed. Here's what you have to do. I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, I suggest closing down the app itself and restarting it. See if that fixes it. That's going to be the easiest fix. Now, if that doesn't work, the second thing that I suggest doing is opening up the browser on your phone and searching for World App Status. You want to make sure that the issue is not on your end, but instead it might be on their end. So here, if it says all systems operational, then we can proceed to the last fix. For the last fix, I suggest reinstalling the app. You want to press and hold on to the app itself, click on Remove App, and here you will select Delete App. Once you delete the app, you want to reinstall it back from the App Store, and that should fix it. And as a bonus method, I suggest changing your internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.